Here we are, Brass Point O viewers. We're going to say hi to Machinist Miranda, otherwise known as Little Brass. So what are you doing today, Machinist Miranda? Operating this machine so Daddy doesn't have to, huh?
Yeah,
that's pretty cool.
He's working on that machine over there.
So what is it you're making?
Okay.
Oh wow, these look really cool. And you're doing all this, huh?
Yep. Sure is.
Wow. That's good stuff.
What the machine does is put two of these together in that machine. And the machine cuts it into things that look like this. And then you take those things and put them onto this thing. It's either this thing right here. So you put it onto this thing and you put it inside the machine, and then it finishes cutting it, makes it look like that.
Well, that's really nifty.
It is.
Cool beans. So you're going to show us this machine? Wow. This looks like a bunch of complicated stuff.
Yeah, see, those were normal old bricks that I showed you earlier. Those were like those, but I had to put them on bars, turn them into that.
Ah.
And that liquid stuff that the machine, cooled off.
Oh, okay.
Here.
Oh, yeah, I see. That's pretty cool. Okay. So you're going to take these out, huh?
Yeah, I gotta loosen this up.
Hitting it like a boy. Just pretend it's some dumb old boy from your school.
I'm good. You got knocked out. These things that I'm hitting, just loosen it up, that way I can get stuff out.
Okay.
I got everything out. And I put these in. So you gotta put them in and you gotta match like where this is with the little line right there.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay. You gotta be sure to put this edge right here, not the rough edge. The rough edge goes out towards the plain bar.
Oh, okay.
Right there.
Wow.
And I gotta take it again.
Well, you're really smart to figure all this out.
Someone helped me. And then I just went on with it.
It's like the Tooth Fairy.
What?
The Tooth Fairy showed you how to do it?
No. Yeah, I guess the two very good.
Good job.
I've been doing this a lot for, ever now.
Yeah.
Like hours.
So this machine's like controlled by like a computer, huh?
Yeah, it's controlled by this thingy over here.
Good job. Cool.
Alright.
So you put them in, you tighten them up, now what do you do?
Now there's these little bars over here underneath it that'll slide.
Okay.
And what I need to do is I need to hit these with this hammer, this orange rubber hammer, until those things quit sliding. Gotta make sure the front ones and the back ones aren't sliding.
Cool.
Okay.
Sweet.
Now I'm done and I can storage. I lay scraps and machine juice don't fly anymore. The cycle will start. Should have cleared off the windows for you, that way it could have watched me. But all it does is just take the metals like this and this. And I have to do all that over again. I gotta take these out. Yeah, I'll just show you. Flip them over and make sure this side is completely dry. And I'll take this thing and I gotta loosen up the screws. That way I can take them out.
You're a genius.
Yep, I know I am. You don't.
You got the moves like Jagger.
I can take these off now that I'm not blowing chips in. And I just take out screws. I'll wipe that out off later. And then I just gotta rub off all this stuff up here. But there's nothing. Now I gotta feel for any sharp edges on here. Over here. Now take this tool and I smooth out the edges.
Cool.
And I just stack it over here. And I do the same with the other one.
That's Jerry. He's the boss.
Yeah, that's it.
Look this number back up,
Mhm.
because the number you give